Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Poison Finance. Ticker symbol is Poison, but the S is a $sign and not an S. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So, Poison.finance is their official webpage. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap yesterday, brand new listings. They are on their, this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, it is available on Uniswap here. It says it is paired with wrapped Ethereum or USDC on Uniswap v3 Arbitrum. So basically, you would just fund your wallet with USDC or wrapped Ethereum and go into Uniswap v3, and then you could trade either one of those coins for the Poison token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So that's how you would get this token. Also on CoinMarketCap, you can find the price chart, contract address, webpage, their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and a full white paper as well. So this token's sitting at about 9.1 cents today, according to CoinMarketCap. It says Poison Protocol is a decentralized multi-chain synthetic assets, aka potions, assurance protocol built on Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Binance Smart Chain, and soon much more. Synthetic potions, P tokens, are collateralized by stablecoins like BUSD, USDT, USDC, DAI, MIM, TUSD, FRAX, or IB tokens like CDAI, CUSDC, CUSDT, ADAI, which when locked in the vault contract enable the assurance of potions. Synthetic potions mimic the price behavior of real-world assets like stocks, commodities, ETFs, and give traders anywhere in the world open access to price exposure without the implications of owning or trading real assets. The minting of potions is decentralized and is handled by users of the protocol. Poison.finance ensures that there is always sufficient collateral within the protocol to cover potions. The Poison token is minted by the protocol and distributed as an award to support conduct that secures the ecosystem. Poison Protocol ensures liquid potion markets by rewarding poison to users who stake LPs obtained through providing liquidity. Moreover, poison is valuable as it can be staked to receive voting privileges and to earn a share of the protocol's vault withdrawal fees. Poison is a project developed and steered by its community. Its markets are maintained by its own users through Poison incentives, and the protocol evolves with the new idea through democratic governance. So their mission here, it says stable and decentralized digital synthetic assets have immense potential to democratize finance and bring fairness to parts of the world that don't have access to low volatile quality assets. Potential market for collateralized synthetic assets is enormous. It's imperative we continue moving the synthetic asset sector forward. Poison.finance is on a mission to democratize finance for all. We propose that in order to achieve 100% compliance with our objectives, promote a healthy ecosystem, and maximize profits, we need to optimize along 6 main features of the synthetic asset system. Number 1 is stability, then transparency, decentralization, scalability, security, and adaptability. So synthetics is a widely adopted decentralized over-collateralized synthetics assurance protocol. It's stable and somewhat decentralized, but difficult to scale due to its over-collateralization model. Not capital efficient and prone to administrative oversight faced with regulatory scrutiny, had to delist and stop trading all collateralized commodities, stocks, and ETFs. Mirror, collateralized synthetics assurance protocol on Terra blockchain. It looked decentralized, but when UST collapsed and a true nature of reliance on closed ecosystems was revealed, and then FTX, we all know what happened to FTX. We don't need to go over that. So how is Poison different? Well, it is stable due to the multi-chain nature ability of the collateralized by the multitude of different stablecoins and interest-bearing tokens. No dependence on the fate of one asset. Number 2, it's transparent, all collateralized on-chain and is not used for any other purpose. The protocol is immutable. Contract is the law. Number 3, decentralization from the start with no central governing authority. Number 4, scalable due to the multi-chain nature. We will be able to achieve not only lower levels of collateralization ratios, but also greater capital efficiency. And number 5, secured through code immutability and decentralization. And 6, adaptability. So they have a whole overview of the project. So there's a trader, there's a minter and shorter, liquidity provider, a staker, and a liquidator. And they all have different names that you can check out. They're called like the wizard, the king, the cook, the uncle. And yeah, you can check all those out on their white paper. By the way, you can find their white paper at docs.poison.finance. They have frequently asked questions on here. So basically, Poison Finance is a protocol system of decentralized, trustless smart contracts deployed on Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Binance Smart Chain. Tokenomics. So the Poison token here is the protocol's multi-chain governance utility and rewards token. And tokenomics on here, let's see here. So distribution, where is that? So it's split up basically between P token and Poison LP staking, Uniswap liquidity, public sale, and private sale. And I don't see if there's any taxes or any. It doesn't really say anything about taxes, I don't think. I don't see anything like that. Yeah, if you know if you have to change slippage or anything like that, you can leave that in the comments down below. But yeah, you can find this token now newly listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as of yesterday. So check it out. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.